Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a translation bot on Discord in just a few simple steps. Click on your server icon in the left sidebar to open your server view. Click on the server name at the top to open the server drop-down menu. A menu appears with several server management options. Click on App Directory from the menu to open the Discover page. Click the search box and type Translate Bot to find available translation bots. The page will show matching apps with their ratings and descriptions. Click on the Translate App card to open its page where you can see features and user reviews. Click the Add App button to start adding it to your server. Click on Add to Server to open the authorization window where you'll select your destination server. Click the drop-down and select the server you want to add the bot to. Click Continue to move to the permissions screen. Click Authorize to begin adding the bot. A CAPTCHA verification window opens. Click the I am human checkbox to complete the verification and return to the permissions screen. Click Authorize again to complete the authorization and a success modal appears confirming the bot was added. Click Go to Test Account Server to return to your channel where you'll see the bot's welcome message in the chat. Click the message input box and start typing /trans to bring up the command list showing available translate commands. Click on the /translate command to select it and you're ready to translate messages in your server. If the bot doesn't appear in your server right away, refresh Discord completely. The translate command takes text and a target language code. You can type /translate followed by your message and the language you want. If you need to remove the bot later, go back to App Directory, find Translator in your installed apps, and click Remove. The bot can translate between dozens of languages. Use /help to see the full command list and language codes. And that's how to set up a translation bot on Discord. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.